Happy happens every day. Vacations and celebrations, new friends and favorite faces, falling in love and starting new journeys, and welcoming little ones. Share the memories that make you happy. It's time to get together as mothers and daughters, friends and family to share our stories and the moments that mean the most to us. Share your happy on the pages of the Happy Album from Creative Memories. It's simple to bring your photos and stories to life. With the beautiful monthly kits our designers create, every page will make you smile and be a reminder of the happy in life. So call some friends and treat yourself to a girls' night. Get together, celebrate your stories, and create your own happy album. Share your moments. Share your creativity. Share your happy.